In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone a video in VLC quickly and easily. This is a really handy trick if you want to create a multi-view effect, display the same video more than once on screen, or just explore one of VLC's hidden video effects. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks inside VLC and you do not need any extra software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the video you want to clone inside VLC Media Player. You can simply launch VLC and drag your video into the player, or use the Open File option if you prefer. Once the video is loaded and playing, look up at the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Effects and Filters. This will open the Adjustments window where VLC keeps a lot of its video and audio customization options. Now that the Effects and Filters window is open, click on the Video Effects tab. This section contains several different visual effects you can apply to your video. In order to access the cloning feature, look for the Advanced option within the Video Effects settings and click it. This reveals more specialized controls that are not always used by beginners, but they're very useful once you know where to find them. Next, check the box next to Clone. As soon as you enable it, VLC will start preparing the clone effect for your video. Right below that, you'll see an option called Number of Clones. Here, you can specify how many duplicate versions of the video you want on screen. Enter the number you want depending on the effect you're trying to create. A smaller number will keep things simple, while a larger number will create a more dramatic repeated look. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Once you save, the cloned videos will start playing immediately inside VLC. If everything is set correctly, you should now see the same video duplicated based on the number of clones you selected. And that's it, you've successfully cloned video in VLC. It's a simple but powerful feature that can help you experiment with visuals and get more out of VLC Media Player. If this tutorial was useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.